National Treasury, Director of Planning in the Public Debt Management Office. So our coming here today is that we are doing public participation, which is a constitutional requirement whenever you want to either come up with new laws or policies, or when you are amending sections of the policies or acts which have already been passed. So today's activity is to amend the Public Finance Management Act and its attendant regulations. The attendant regulations of the Public Finance Management Act is the Public Finance Management Act, National Government 2015, and also the Public Finance Management Act, County Government Regulations 2015. So what we are seeking to amend is the definition of public debt. The Constitution under Article 214(2) defines public debt, but the attendant regulations of the Public Finance Management Act defines county public debt and national public debt. So that is not harmonized with the Constitution. So the sections which talk of county public debt and national public debt, we are seeking to amend to harmonize with the Constitution. Secondly, the second amendment is in line with the Public Finance Management Act, National Government Regulations 2015, under Section 26(1)(c), which gives a debt ceiling of 10 trillion as amended in 2022. So we are seeking to have a debt anchor of 55% of GDP. So what does this mean? It means that the nominal figure of 10 trillion concentrates so much on the consumption side. But when we have a debt anchor of 55%, we are anchoring it on the productivity of the nation, which is also in line with the international best practice, not the nominal figure. So those are the two areas we are seeking amendments, and we are undertaking public participation. This is our last area in this region. We've been to western part and also parts of Nyanza. Yeah, thank you.